Today I'm gonna make for you orange juice, orange drink, orange juice. So you're gonna need oranges, sugar, and limes. Alright, peel the oranges. Reason why I say peel them, because I don't want the zest in my orange juice. Because I know you can just cut this, put it in a orange, one of those orange squeezing machine, or the manual one where you can just go zoom zoom zoom, but I don't have any of those, so we're going to do this manually. So start peeling them. You don't have to be all neat, just peel it. Just take some time and peel them all. This is how we peel orange in Jamaica. And just peel them. Doesn't matter if it's sore or sore. Alright. So let's peel them all. And I'm gonna pause the video and go ahead and do this. Peel them all. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video and peel them. Alrighty, I'm almost near to the end. This is it. I just peeled 10 oranges. Orange juice is good for Sunday. My mom usually juice orange juice on Sunday and give us Sunday with our Sunday dinner. And she's juicy during the week and just have it in the refrigerator for us to drink. So you just peel it, peel it, peel it, peel it. I'm in frame. Come out frame, probably something. Alright, so that's it. Now we're going to juice these. Alright, so throw this in your compost or your compost. Alright, now we're going to juice this. Now, what I want you to do is just rinse these. Just rinse them. Rinse them off. Rinse them off. Rinse them off, rinse them off. Alright. So now we're going to squeeze our oranges. Alright, so wash off your knife. Now like this. And just squeeze this. And squeeze out the juice. And squeeze it out. Throw that out. And squeeze the juice. these oranges are warm. I just bought them in the market. Quite expensive as orange often are, but it's okay. So I'm gonna pause and just do them all, and you'll see this in the end. So just continue and squeeze and squeeze and squeeze. And squeeze it. This is another way you can just rub them together, and that's it. That's it. Now after you patiently exercise your fingers, trust me, this is a real exercise. You just squeeze the last one. I can feel it in these places. So after you patiently squeeze them all, so this is one dozen oranges, and it weighs 6 pounds. Alright, so that's it. So see, on my waist. So now we're going to strain this. Like how we have this to squeeze a lime in, let's do like this. We're gonna spruce up the taste with some lime. Just cut it. You should cut like this in your palm. Alright? Squeeze it out, squeeze it out. Or just put it on a flat surface and just cut it. This is our American squeeze line. They squeeze it like this. They just squeeze it. And we do like this. We rotate it. Right. And just squeeze it like that. Alright, so now we're going to strain it. I rinse this bowl out, so just strain it. You want to strain it twice, more than once. Seeds. This is the seeds from 1 dozen oranges. Seeds. So just to be professional, strain it 2 or 3 times. Strain it 2 or 3 times. Alright. So other than the lime, this is freshly squeezed orange juice right now. But I'm gonna make the drink. So I'm gonna add some water to this and sugar. And the lime is already in it. So add the sugar. That's quarter. if that's gonna be enough. So just sweeten this. I'm gonna add water to this. If you have granulated sugar, use it. It will make your orange juice as dark. But I don't right now, so I'm using what I have, which is brown sugar, which is just as good. Brown sugar is what Jamaicans are used to. Add the water. So this is orange juice drink. Orange juice drink. So I use 1 dozen oranges. I use 1.5 cups of sugar. I use 4 limes, and I added 4 cups of water. If you want, you can add a piece of ginger in this too, spruce up the taste, but it's optional. Alright, I don't want this to be sweet, so 1.5 cups of sugar is good. But if you want it to be a little bit sweeter, add a 1/4 cup of sugar. This little spoonful of sugar more. But this is a nice, refreshing drink. Orange juice drink. Let me taste it. Perfect. Because I'm not gonna drink all of this, it's good to put half in a container and seal it so that it keep fresh. So this is homemade orange juice drink with brown sugar. If it was granulated sugar, it would have looked lighter. Now I'm going to refrigerate this for until I'm ready to serve. Alright. So my orange juice drink. Add ice. Gotta stir it in. Orange juice drink. Orange juice drink.